Hello guys, Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how you can set most trending or mostly used wallpaper on your iOS 16, that is your Earth wallpaper. So in this video we will see how you can set Earth wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen as well as your home screen. So let's start the video here. So guys, basically it's very simple. First of all, do one thing, pull down your lock screen, okay, and just hard press it and go into the customization mode. So once you are into customization mode, now you can slide to the end or tap on plus icon for a new wallpaper. Okay, tap on the plus icon, and here while you're going through the wallpapers, okay, there are multiple categories as well as your multiple wallpaper types. Out of them you'll see one category called weather and astronomy. Okay, in that you'll see multiple wallpapers, and out of them one will be astronomy. Okay, that is the one. Just go and tap on astronomy. Once you do that, it will give you wallpaper of a earth. Okay, half wallpaper, half earth as well as a whole earth. And if you slide, you'll see a moon as well as your solar system. So as per your choice, choose wallpaper out of earth, moon or a solar system, and here go and set. Once you do that, your earth wallpaper will be set automatically on your iPhone lock screen as well as your home screen. So it is how you can set your most trending or mostly commonly used wallpaper, that is your earth wallpaper, on your iOS 16 in your iPhone. So guys, that's it. I hope you got this video helpful, and if yes, please give a like, please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.